Hey everyone, this is Robert. Today, we're diving into browser extensions and how they can become a journalist's best friend for fact-checking. But first, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a browser extension? Think of a browser extension as a mini tool that you add to your web browser like Google Chrome. As its name implies, a browser extension extends the functionalities of your browser. It helps you to do specific tasks faster and more efficiently. Extensions can make your life a lot easier, especially when it comes to fact-checking. They can help you verify information, find the source of a photo or video, where it was taken or filmed, find archived versions of web pages that have disappeared, translate content, and much more. When extensions are installed in your browser, they will generally appear on the right of the address bar. Here I am using Chrome. Extensions can be seen by clicking on the little jigsaw piece to the right. As you can see, I already installed many extensions. If you want one to always be visible at the top of the browser, just pin it like this. You click or you unpin it by clicking again. Now let's first look at 3 examples of what browser extensions can do. I will then explain where to find them and how to install them in your browser. The first one is InVid. I explain it in detail in a separate tutorial. InVid is like a Swiss knife for verifying videos and still pictures. When you click on it, it opens inside your browser. It does many things, such as extracting screen captures from videos to find the source of the video. Like this YouTube video. If you just copy its URL, its address, and paste it inside InVid, you submit the address, and then it will extract images that you will use to find where the different parts of the edited video come from. It can also quickly extract metadata from images and analyze images to see if they were manipulated. Another extremely useful free tool is the Wayback Machine extension. As its name indicates, it allows users to travel back in time and find web pages or websites that have disappeared. When you stumble upon a page with an error 404 message like this one, just use this extension instead of running away and thinking that it's an unsolvable technical problem. Chances are that this Internet Archive automatically copied the original page and that the copy can be accessed with the extension, like here. A third example of a tool I use regularly is the Exif Viewer Classic extension. Photos taken with smartphones generate image files that include not only the pixels that make up the image, but many additional pieces of information. By default, social networks such as Facebook and the like automatically erase such information when you upload photos. But sometimes on regular websites like this one, if your browser has this extension installed and you just mouse over photos like here, you'll find that some still have metadata attached to them, such as the brand of the camera, the date when they were taken, the editing software that was used maybe to improve it, and, very importantly, a red GPS clickable link that opens their location in Google Maps like here. So this extension can be used to help you confirm where a photo was taken. So how do we find and install browser extensions? It's very easy. Let's use this clean version of Chrome with no extension at all. Click on the 3 little dots at the top right-hand corner of the browser. Then go down to Extensions and click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Then click on the Extensions menu and in the search box, type the extension name you want, in this case InVid. You just click to add to Chrome, confirm that you want it to add to Chrome, and that's it. It's as simple as this. Now, this extension is installed in your browser. And you can repeat what you just did by entering the other names of extensions you want to install. You add them to Chrome, add extension. And again, the Wayback Machine extension, add to Chrome, and voila. Now, your extensions are hidden by default. If you want them to be visible in this part of the browser, just make sure that you pin them like this so that they're always visible. You will not need many more browser extensions for your regular fact-checking work. However, you can experiment with additional ones by searching the Chrome extensions library. And when you don't need them anymore, you can easily remove them from Chrome just in 2 clicks, like this. You click, right-click, and then remove from Chrome. Chrome is developed and managed by Google. By default, it integrates some very handy Google tools. These can be accessed through contextual menus, which appear when you right-click on an empty space on a page or on an image. Take Google Lens, a super powerful tool to fact-check images in many ways. To use it, just right-click on an image and select Search with Google Lens. It's not only an amazing AI-powered reverse image search tool, which we explore in other tutorials. It can also extract text from images, translate it on the fly, recognize landmarks in a photo, identify plants and animals, and even scan QR codes. Another fantastic tool included in Chrome is Google Translate, which allows you to translate any web page you're on automatically. So, if you're a serious fact-checker, the language barrier is no longer an excuse not to verify information in a language you don't speak. You can either translate a word, sentence, or paragraph by selecting it, right-clicking, and choosing Translate Selection to the language of your choice, in this case, English. The translation will appear here in a pop-up window. Or you can choose to translate the whole page, a whole page like here, by right-clicking on any empty spot. This will open this contextual menu. You scroll down and click on Translate to, in this case, again, English. The whole page now is in English. You do this through the contextual menu or by clicking on the Translate button in the address bar here at the top. So you click there, and you can switch from the original version to English or the language of your choice. Finally, you can also easily change the translation language by clicking on the 3 little dots here and on Choose Another Language. Then select the language of your choice in the drop-down menu, such as, let's say, Bosnian, and translate. The whole page now is in Bosnian. Voila, that's it for this tutorial on browser extensions. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.